Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating network and system causes. First, make sure your device has stable Wi-Fi or cellular and that a web page loads. Server errors often come from connectivity. Once done, disable any VPN, proxy, or content filter because Apple servers reject altered routes. Also set date and time to automatic. Mismatched clocks break SSL checks. While you're here, glance at Apple system status. A service outage means wait, not troubleshooting. So move to local fixes if status is green. Now perform the actual change while avoiding transient errors. Open Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. If that fails, go to Appleid. Apple, calm in a browser. Before retrying, force close settings, do a full restart, and attempt the change on another device or network to isolate the problem. If you have configuration profiles, corporate email, or extra Apple ID signed in, remove them temporarily because they can redirect authentication. These steps ensure your request reaches Apple's servers cleanly and securely. Finish by setting your new password and then sign back into iCloud, App Store, FaceTime, and iMessage so tokens refresh. Make sure two-factor authentication devices are available to approve the change. If you still see a server error, reset network settings to clear corrupted caches, then retry. If that doesn't fix it, contact Apple support and report the exact error and steps taken. One key tip: try the change from a different Apple ID signed device. If that works, the issue is isolated to the original device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.